Hey, this is Shanshan from Century 21. If you missed the Parade of Homes, you can schedule your own private showing. And this one's a really nice house. I don't want you to miss it. Today we have 32 different groups coming through the door. This one's built by Jordahl. You see how far it is from the backyard neighbors? Again, this is Shanshan from Century 21. Give me a shout if you like this house, want to take a look, do a private tour, or if you want to plan on building or have a totally different kind of floor plan, I can also help you with that. And I'll see you soon in another video.